Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Javebhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Kheda, Gujarat. He was an Indian independent nationalist and barrister who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. He was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a significant role in the country's struggle for independence and its political integration. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. He is remembered as a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He had actively contributed to the Indian freedom movement. Sardar Patel was one of the most eminent and prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. He has immense contribution in bringing independence to our country. And in the end, he gave a famous quote that non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. One can take the path of revolution, but the revolution should not give a shock to the society. There is no place for violence in revolution. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.